It's race time, and even though it's a relaxed charity day for everyone else, the boys have been given permission to put their helmets on for the big showdown. They're taking it seriously.
Good luck.
All right, just enjoy it, OK? Remember, keep it pinned.
Keep it between the hedges. You're that side.
First on the hill is Sam.
Oh, God.
And he's immediately gunning the smooth-running MG as he tries to get close to the 1 minute mark.
Yeah, remember, it peels round hard to the left, hard. Hard! Oh!
He takes the first left-hander in third.
Brakes! Brakes! Don't turn in too quick! Oh!
And even hangs the back out after the hairpin.
Oh, Sammy! Slow! Oh, God, I don't want this.
Into the second hairpin, he drops down to first gear, keeping the revs high.
That's it. This is tough. Oh.
Don't know the corner, don't know the circuit.
I'm feeling sick.
Getting it, better.
What? This is the S's. Woohoo! Oh,
This is great.
He's through the S's and just has the semicircle to negotiate.
this is a blind bend. It's a blind bend, Sam. It's blind. It's blind.
And then it's foot down all the way to the top.
Oh, no. Okay.
Okay.
1:10.
Oh, nice.
Oh, 1:10. 1 minute, 10 seconds of fear. Oh, my God.
So not quite the 1 minute time Sam wanted, but still 10 seconds faster than the sighting run. And as they line up for Henry's turn, it's getting tense.
This time is a little bit in anger and like, you know, mate, you're a hippie and you've done 1 minute, 10 seconds. And I'm going to get nowhere near it.
But there's only one thing for it.
Here we go, Sammy.
Already he's pulling out the stops to beat Sam's 1 minute 10 time.
Are you talking to me or what?
That's third gear.
I know.
Left. Left some more. And then drop it down a gear for this hairpin. Drop it down now. Get it on the revs. Tuck it into the apex midway. Now, get into there. Go over there.
Sam's also playing his part as co-driver.
Nice!
There we go.
Nicely done. Now you're going to have to drop for first for this. First, bang it in.
So far, he's almost exactly matching Sam's time.
Yes!
And he's getting faster.
Nice. Keep it in second, power on a little more.
Second here.
Yeah, keep it in second, but don't be scared of the throttle, it's got more beans.
They're at the S's now, and Henry needs to keep the pressure on.
Right, a little bit more power. Okay, nail it. Now we've got an endless right-hander. Don't overcook it, get into the apex. Now into the grass.
And then the high-speed semicircle.
Wow, you're doing very nicely. Nice, man.
Yes, stop the clock.
No. 109.7.
You're joking.
Yeah!
Oh, my God, really?
Yeah, nicely done. That was really
Do you know
smooth.
what, mate? Can I just tell you?
Yeah.
You were just the best co-driver then.
Oh, yeah, you like that?
Mate, I'm so sorry I let you down. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Honestly,
I quite
man.
enjoyed doing that.
So, with a little help from his best friend, Henry has won the Healey Midget Showdown. They didn't really threaten the 1 minute mark, but car and drivers have made it through.
Mate, I'll tell you what, relationships are built on experiences like this.
Yep.
And I have to tell you, man, seriously, it's just gone a little bit deeper.
The Midget was bought as a used rally car and has now been turned into a hill climbing star, and the boys couldn't be happier.
Oh, top geezer, Sammy.
Nice.
Shared another magic moment together, hey?
Very cool.
Hey, look, now we've done hill climbing.
Yeah.
Do you fancy coming away for a mountaineering weekend?